Understanding Feathered Friends, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, feathered friends. This phrase is not just about birds, but it's also a great example of how language can paint vivid pictures with words. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Feathered friends is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In this case, feathered friends refers to birds. The word feathered describes the bird's key characteristic, their feathers. And friends. This word adds a friendly, affectionate tone to the phrase. So, when someone mentions their feathered friends, they're talking about birds in a fond or endearing way. Now, let's see how to use feathered friends in sentences. 1. Every morning, I like to watch my feathered friends from my window as they gather around the bird feeder. 2. Our garden has become a haven for feathered friends, especially during spring. 3. On our nature walk, we brought binoculars to get a closer look at our feathered friends in the trees. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, often to express a sense of warmth or connection with birds. Understanding idioms like feathered friends is crucial because they are often context-dependent. The literal meaning of the words might not convey the intended message. It's important to pay attention to the context in which such phrases are used to grasp their true meaning. This not only helps in understanding the language better but also in appreciating its creative and expressive nature. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, feathered friends, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this one add color and personality to the language, making it more vivid and expressive. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself using English idioms naturally and effectively. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.